How to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to have the CapCut installed in your PC. If you have not installed it, you need to go ahead and install it first. Once it's installed, you need to simply click on it to open the CapCut. Once you have opened the CapCut, you need to simply go ahead and import the pictures that you want to have in your videos. You need to simply click on the plus icon or import over here, and then you need to go ahead and import all the pictures that you want to have in your video. Once you have imported, you need to simply drag it to the timeline over here, or you can simply click on add to track option right here. You need to simply click on it, and here you can see that all the pictures has been added to the timeline. Now that the pictures has been added to your timeline, you need to simply click on the music or the audio option over here. You can even import the audio, or you can use the audio that are present in the CapCut itself. Here, I'm going to use the audio that are present in the CapCut. Once you have selected the audio, you need to simply click on add to track over here. As you can see that the audio has been added. Now that the audio has been added, let's check how it sounds like. If the beat is changed, you want the pictures to change as well. So in order to make that, you can simply click on add marker over here, and from here you need to choose the beat. Let's say I want to choose the beat 1. Once you have chosen the beat, you can see that the marker has been added to your audio. Now you can simply adjust the picture like this to the marker. You need to simply adjust all the pictures to the marker just like this. Now that you have adjusted all the pictures to the markers, you can see that the photo will be changed as per the beat. So simply play it. And that's it. You now know how to create a video with a picture and music in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.